I think the value will be an improved facility for the community, for our current customers, for new customers, and it'll be a better environment for our employees to take care of our customer needs based on what we do in the branches today. We had a similar project in Royersford where we took down a building that was built in the early 70s and had a new building put up. This building will kind of resemble the way the Royersford building looks today, and we got a lot of positive feedback. We were really impressed with Paul Risk Construction's portfolio of existing products. They just seem to have a very good game plan to get us from start to finish and to get us a finished product. There have been a lot of changes we've had to make throughout the course of this project with materials and different challenges that we've had, and Paul Risk has really given us some really good recommendations to keep everything on track.